Three of my stars. Next thing we got on the strip is an A2, A3 correction. This comes out of right here in the Nautical Almanac. This is, I take my apparent altitude, and this is for refraction. As you're looking through more or less atmosphere, the star appears to bend into different directions. So my apparent altitude here is basically 20, but I'm going to look here, stars and planets, 1957, so I'm going to start to jump down here. 1917, 1958, it's right there, minus 2.7. 32. Here's 32, 0, and 33, so it's in between, minus 1.5. And 40, 50, bigger one, minus 1.1. I'm working right here now, 57.4, minus 2.7. And that is HO. This is an important number for the reduction, is HO. Right here, 45.4. As you're flying through these numbers, take a look at them. You know, 54 minus something is something a little less. Good, that looks reasonable to me. Moving right along. You want to do that pretty often so you catch little mistakes that you make, because you're going to make a bunch. 53.2. Right, one down, one down. That's good. Good, that's HO for all three stars. I'm going to box that because that's an important number. Now next, we need to find GHA of Aries. And this, we need to find the GHA of Aries at the actual time, at the GMT. And GHA of Aries is changing because it moves across the sky just like the sun does. So, I'm going to start by looking for the GHA at 2100 on December the 12th. So we're going to open up here to December the 12th again. Really exciting stuff. We're navigating by the stars here. December the 12th, 2100. December the 12th, 2100. Aries. 36, 28.0. And here's another trick. You can usually go right down here with the same number, but right here it goes from 1800 to 1900. So I need to change, 2100 to 2200. So right here, this is going to be a little different number right here. 51, 30.5. And this is where Aries is at 1900.00. I have 10 minutes here, but I'm going to correct for that in the next step. But this is still 1900.00, so this is the same number. I'm just going to add 30 minutes onto this one and 10 minutes onto here. I'm going to add 45 minutes on this guy right here. So now I go back into the minutes and seconds, and 45 minutes. Aries, 45 minutes, 0 seconds, right there. 11 degrees, 16.8. Add that in. I don't remember if I did that right. 28. Okay, that is GHA of Aries, and that's the corrected one with the minutes and seconds. And then next we have something with the GMT of the Peacock shot right here. It's only 10 minutes. Let's further back this way. "10 minutes, 0 seconds of Aries." It's less. 2 degrees, 30.4. So here that adds up. That's bigger. That's 60.9. I carry that over, so it's 0.9. I add another one right in here. 53, 54. Okay, there's the GHA of Aries at the time of this shot. And then finally we have 30 minutes that we need to add on to this guy. 30 minutes, 0 seconds of Aries again. 7 degrees. 31.2. let's see, that is 61.7, 01.7, carry 1 over 7, 8, 9, 59, 01.7. GHA varies for all 3 shots at those exact GMTs. Let's take a little peek at our strip again. Now we need the SHA of the star. SHA of the star. And on this one, we're just adding it. So this is December the 12th. I'm going to go back into my nautical almanac. And as you do this some more, you'll be able to do a couple of these steps all at once. So, for instance, you'll get down to your HO, and then you'll grab your SHA because you happen to be on the same page. That's fine. The SHA, right here, SHA of Rigel. Oh, here's another part where you can jump ahead a little bit. So I add the SHA, it gives me the GHA of the star, plus east, minus west, some longitude, LHA, deck. That number I can jump ahead and grab it right now. In here in the nautical almanac, I get the SHA and the deck of the star. So the SHA on December the 12th, 13th, and the 14th is pretty much all this. Stars don't move all that much. And the first star we got is Rigel. These are in alphabetical order. SHA of Rigel is 281, 34.9. Declination, I'm going to grab that right now because it's next to it, is South 8, 13.4. Next star we got is Peacock. SHA of Peacock, 53, 57.5, and the declination, South 56, 47.8. Marcab, 14, 02.4. Declination is north, 15, 06.5. We're almost to a good spot for a break. Okay, now I want to add these together so I can get my GHA of the star. So right here, 44.8 plus 34.9 gives me 79.7, but I don't want to write that in here. I'm going to take out 60 and carry a 1. 79.7 minus 60 is 19.7. Carry that 1 right there. So 47 plus 1 plus 281 is a big number, 329. That's fine. 329. That is the GHA of Rigel. Over here, I can do this one in my head. 50, no I can't. 57.5, I could, but I want to move along here. Plus 0.9, 58.4, 54 plus 53, 107. GHA of Peacock, 1.7, 2.4, 59,